Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here we are having a recruitment update from the National Technical Research Organization, Government of India. NTRO is going to take an exam for the Aviator 2 and Technical Assistant. The starting date for online application is 31st December 2022 and the last date will be 21st January 2023. Let's see here the detail of this the examination. What are the number of posts, how to apply, what is the essential qualification. Let's see here. So let's start from the description of the post. As we are having here two posts, Aviator 2, this is the General Central Civil Service Group A post, and here the pay scale will be level 10, 56,100 to 1,77,500. Technical Assistant Group B, General Central Civil Service, level 7 of the pay scale. We can see the detail of the pay scale here. Now let's see the number of vacancies for the Aviator 2. The subject is aviation technology and the number of vacancies are 22. For technical assistant level 7, the subjects are: first is computer science and information technology, second is electronics and communication. In CS and IT, number of posts are 81. In electronics and communication, number of posts are 79. So the total number of posts are 160 here we can see. The upper age limit is different for both the posts. Let's see the essential qualification and the upper age limit. So we can see the essential qualification for the post of Aviator 2 is: candidate must have a BE or BTech degree in electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, power electronics, applied electronics. CS is also there, information technology is also there, mechanical is also there. Okay, instrumentation is also there. We can see the details and the different branches are already given here. Now this one is, if candidate having a master degree, then he or she also apply surely, but the age limit is maximum 35 years for the aviation 2. Some physical medical standards are also given here, so you can see the details of these standards also. Second, for the post of the technical assistant, we are having two different post or two different subjects. First is for the computer science and technology, information technology, and second is for EC or electronics and communication. So for this one, a candidate must have a BE or BTech degree in computer science or IT. Okay, and the other branches are also mentioned here. Now for the electronics and communication, candidate must have a BE or BTech degree in electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication. Electrical is also there, and some different branches are also mentioned here. So you can see the details here. As for this post, the age limit is maximum 30 years. So we can see the age limit. The age relaxation, we already had a discussion. The important dates, we have already had a discussion. The starting date will be 31st December. The last date will be 21st January. Now how to apply? A candidate must apply online only. So candidate can apply online by visiting this website, recruit/ndl.nielit.gov.in, or the details, more details are available on this website. You can go through this website and see the details. Now what is the application fee? For the women candidates, SC, ST, PWD, there is no fees, and for the general and all other candidates, 500 rupees per application is fees. So the scheme of exam, as it is based on the two stage. First stage is the written exam, okay, which is OMR based and MCQ paper. Second stage is the interview, as per the details are given here. So for the technical assistant, the post, the number of questions or the nature of paper will be MCQ only. 100 questions are there. 80 questions are from the subject computer science and IT or electronics and communication. 20 questions from the basic reasoning or mental ability. 200 marks will be there. The duration will be 2.5 hours. And for the Aviator 2, the 100 questions are there. 80 from the aviation technology and 20 from the basic mental ability and reasoning. 200 marks are weightage again here, and the timing is 2.5 hours. Now the how to apply, or the candidate how to select it. So a stage 2 interview will be called if the aviator in Aviator 2 candidate having 50 marks and in the technical assistant also having the 50 marks. So the candidates who are shortlisted on their performance is stage 1, they will call for the interview for which is stage 2. Okay, now the selection process, as we had a discussion, it is stage 1 written exam, 40% weightage is there, okay, and stage 2 interview in the ratio of 1:3 for the number of vacancies. So we can see the details of each and every step is given here, and the center of exams are also mentioned here, so you can see that then your nearest center and you can approach accordingly. Some general instructions are given here, you can see the general instruction. As I told you how to apply, the details are given here. The very important thing is the starting date of this application process is 31st December and the last date will be 21st January. So please forward, just go through the website of the detail given website. You can go to the website and just forward this message or just share this video's link with each and every friend so everyone can apply. Thank you guys. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you.